Bring the hood into the installation area. Unpack the hood by guiding a knife along the centre of the packaging, taking care not to damage the product. Inside you'll find the manual and fitting components. Take a moment to read through the manual to make sure you fully understand the installation process. For the next step, you will need the template provided. Temporarily stick the template to the wall using tape. Using the template, mark the 3 screwing positions on the wall. Take the template off the wall. Fix 2 of the screws provided to the wall. With a colleague, hang the hood onto the wall. Open the hood and remove the filter. Using the additional screw and washer, fully fix the hood into place. Remove the protective foil from the hood. Replace the filter inside the hood. Check alignment of the product. Now you will need the grid. Install the grid and plug in the cable onto the top of the hood. When installing the grid, ensure it is angled so that the airflow is flowing away from the wall. You would now plug the hood in using a pre-prepared socket. Clean the product. Your installation is now complete and ready for your customer.